Ready to take your Spotify game to the next level? Let's get those tracks trending. Introducing SMMhelper's Spotify SMM panel, the ultimate tool for artists to amplify their presence and grow organically. Whether you need more followers, playlist additions, or monthly listeners, we've got you covered. Imagine boosting your Spotify followers and plays with just a few clicks. Simply search for SMMhelper on Google, register, and explore a variety of services designed to enhance your reach. From genuine followers to playlist placements, our panel ensures real engagement from real accounts. Take Myra, for example, an upcoming singer struggling to get noticed. With SMMhelper, her follower count soared, and her tracks got featured on popular playlists. Instant visibility and success. Why choose SMMhelper? Our budget-friendly plans, secure services, and easy-to-use platform make it the best choice for budding artists. Plus, you'll see results in no time. Join artists like Arjun, Priya, and Neha, who've experienced the game-changing benefits of SMMhelper. Ready to shine on Spotify? Head over to SMMhelper and start your journey today.